What's good, Tech family? Urban Tech Reviews, and this is going to be a quick video on how to use or access the calculator on your Apple iPhone. Okay, so one way to do it is you scroll from the top part of your screen, you pull it down like that. When you get to that, and then boom, the calculator is right there. Then you can start calculating. The second way that you can do it is go to the actual app. You scroll till you get to the actual app. You see the app is right there. Boom, you click it. And once you click it, you can start calculating. Now, if you can't find your app, say you don't know where your calculator app is and you don't have it in the widgets for some reason like that. Say you can't find it. So all you do is scroll all the way from the right to the left to your app library. When you get to your app library, start typing in calculator. When you see calculator pop up, boom, you go to the calculator and you start calculating. All right, so this is quick Apple iPhone tips. If this video helps you in any way, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that by clicking on my logo. Until the next time, family, stay blessed out there.